Alright, here it is, the talk about inclined plane and wedges. So an inclined plane or a ramp makes it easier to move a load higher than it is, but it has to be moved a much longer distance. So when you look at the distance in which you are going to raise it from the floor, it is actually quite less than the actual distance in which you need to move it. So an inclined plane makes it possible to lift heavy objects using a smaller force. So examples of these are loading ramps and wheelchair access ramps. And here's a lovely picture. So as you can see here, the load would need to move like a ton more than it actually moves in height. Okay, so the distance in which we push it is substantially larger than the height in which it moves, but because of this we are able to exert a smaller force on the object. Now we do with wedges. So wedge is a similar shape to an inclined plane, but is used in a different way. Okay, so wedges can only be used in one direction, and that is point down. So it is forced into an object to split it apart, essentially an axe, a knife, those sorts of things. Okay, so a wedge increases the force applied to the object, but it moves a greater distance into the object, then it splits it apart. Kind of the same idea as an inclined plane, and when you look back at a wedge, it is actually like two inclined planes put together, so that's kind of cool. Anyways, this wraps it up about inclined plane and wedges. Thanks for listening.